How to fix PS5 Error NW-102636-8. The following tips would help fix PS5 Error NW-102636-8. 1. Review your internet connection settings. Google some troubleshooting tips re slow PS5 connection. 2. Turn off your modem/router and wait for more than 5 minutes, then restart it. Refer to the following screenshot. 3. For wireless, Wi-Fi, players, bring PlayStation Registered 5 close to the access point or router and make sure that there is nothing interrupting the communication between those devices. 4. Check the game server at the developer's game website and PlayStation trademark network status page. 5. Leave your console. For a while before performing any new operation.